Hi, this is Michael Natal from High Tech Trader. Today we're looking at two CEM Star System 6s. These particular system, one runs on 220 volts. They both do. Looking at the back, first one, the back of the second one. They both power up and come on with the startup screens. Glass holders down below. This particular table then has all the different kind of glassware associated with it. Okay. Water packs. Alright, great. We're going to pack this up and send it out. 609-518-9100. Thanks again from High Tech Trader.